You know how grasshoppers make sound? They rub their hind legs against their forewings to produce their trademark sounds. Special pegs on the inside of the hind leg act like a percussion instrument when they come in contact with their thickened edge of the wing. So grasshoppers are like drummers. Hi, and welcome to Grasshopper 4 example problems. In Grasshopper 4, we're going to look at some examples of adding 7 with our combination grasshopper movement. Let's start by adding 3. Next, we want to add 2. Well, that's a straight 5-pair addition. Add 5, subtract 3. Next, we want to add 7. Well, I don't have enough beads on my target rod. That's a 10-pair addition. I add 1 to the next rod left. Now I need to subtract 7's 10-pair 3 from 5. Well, that's a 5-pair subtraction of subtracting 5 and adding 2. So let's take a look at that one more time. So if I want to add 7 to 5, that's a 10-pair addition, adding 1 to the next rod left. Now I need to subtract 7's 10-pair 3 from 5 as a 5-pair subtraction. Next, I'll add 7 and then subtract 5 for a final answer of 14. Let's look at a second example. Start off with 6. Now I want to add 7, only have 3 beads, so that's a 10-pair addition, add 1 to the next rod left. Now I need to subtract 3 from 6. Well, got to do that in the form of a 5-pair, subtract 5 and add 2. Next I'll subtract 9, well that's a 10-pair subtraction, subtract 1 from the next rod left and add 9's 10-pair 1. Add 2, well I have to add 2 in the form of a 5-pair addition, adding 5 and subtracting 3. And finally, I'm going to add 7 to 6. Well, that's a 10-pair addition, add 1 to the next rod left, but now I need to subtract 7's 10-pair 3 from 6 in the form of a 5-pair by subtracting 5 and adding 2 for a final answer of 13. I hope it's all making sense to you, and good luck with your training. Hi, and welcome to the Grasshopper 4 finger movement training. So in Grasshopper 4, we're going to look at adding the number 7 to 5. So let's take a look at this. So if we want to add 7 to 5, as you can see, we only have 4 beads available. It's not enough, so that's a 10-pair. We add 1 to the next rod left. Then I need to subtract 7's 10-pair 3 from this 5, and I do that in the form of a 5-pair. So there we have 5 plus 7 is 12. So let's take a look at that one more time. I have 5 and I want to add 7. I add 1 to the next rod left and then subtract 7's 10-pair 3 in the form of a 5-pair. Let's take a look at another number. Here we can place 6 on the abacus and let's add 7. So we want to add 7, that's add 1 to the next rod left and then subtract 3 in the form of a 5-pair on our target rod. So 6 plus 7 is 13. And we could try one last example of 7 plus 7. So we add 1 to the next rod left and then subtract 7's 10-pair 3 in the form of a 5-pair. So we have 7 plus 7 is 14. So there you have some finger movement examples for adding 7. See you next time.